Hang on, I ain't ready.
I'm recording right now, just
Oh, I mean, I'm talking Derek.
Alright.
I can't get a hold of this tab.
Let's see. This is Chris Barton right here. Say hi, Chris. This is Justin Williams. This is phone, actually. This is Derek.
Nice,
Derek Roar. I did catch it.
Derek, I ain't ready. I can't get a hold of this can.
Everybody, they're shotgunning beers.
You got pussitis? Come on, man.
Alright, ready?
Alright, let's get ready to go down.
We're waiting on you, Chris.
And here it goes. This is Kentucky Derby.
Fuck it, Derek.
And Joseph just jumped right out of the gates. Chris is still going. He's gone.
Fucking A, man. Fucking A.
Fucking ace.
That's what we do. This has been the adventures of Chris Barton, Joseph Williams, Derek Rourke, and Barrett. My name is Barrett Britt. Not Shotgun because I was video recording. I was sending a message, but you know that's just what we do, ain't it? That's what the fuck we do, isn't it? That's what the fuck we do.
Barrett.
Hey, give me a can.
Focus.
Hey, give me.
No. You still recording? Look at me. What the fuck we do?
Hey, give me.
Fuck we do?
You wanna do it, Derek?
No, man.
I'll do it, baby, like me.
You got pussitis.
Alright, give me a can, give me a can. Oh,
It's
yes.
on your head.
Do it, nigga.
What the fuck we do?
Yes! What the fuck I just did, ain't it?